Let me tell us why it is good for people to consult the right professional for their health issues. Good. Why it is good for you to consult the right professional for your health issues. Now, the right professional, the qualified health professional, will not just go straight and begin to do something without first doing an assessment. Then now, the professional will do what we call subjective assessment first. Then after that, he will now go into the objective assessment. He will first take your complaint, presenting complaint. Then he will now take your history. He will check the general history, that is the case history. He will now take the family and social history. He will even take your drug history, past medical history, other histories that are associated with your condition. Then he now goes into the proper examination. In fact, he goes into the examination systems by system, what we call systems review. So it takes time to do proper assessment so that it can arrive at a proper diagnosis that is peculiar to you, specific to your condition. Then it will now map out, design a plan for you. That is why you don't have to subject or submit yourself to somebody who is not trained to handle your health issue. Now, somebody came to me one day and he was asking me questions about going to exercise in a gym, where there could be no professional in that place. He was telling me about certain things and he gave me scenarios and he gave me certain examples in which people went to such places and they developed some other health challenges. So I started explaining the reason those health challenges could arise. One, let's assume that you want to exercise someone. You don't just get the person to start exercises without proper assessment, as I said. And the assessment you have to run for the person, you have to actually determine the muscle strength of the person. You must determine the endurance strength of the person. You must also determine whether this person is fit cardiovascular wise to undergo those trainings. So there's what we call target heart rate. There's also what we call maximum heart rate. This person that you want to expose to this exercise, you want to put into this machine, you want to put into this treadmill, do you know the person's target heart rate? Have you determined his maximum heart rate? Do you know the level of exercise you are giving to this person? Have you calculated the intensity? Have you calculated the duration? Do you know how to monitor this exercise? These are the reasons you must consult the right professional. Now, everything is not just like go and exercise. No, I'm just using the exercise as simple as it may be so that you understand what I'm saying. So it applies to every other thing you are doing on someone, because if you are not doing the right thing, then you get the wrong result. Sooner or later, complications will come. So if you're having health challenges, please consult the appropriate health professional if you do not want to regret it. God bless you. Amen.